ito po ay pinangamagatan. Kantulaan! Okay, kantulaan. Ito ay mix ng kanta at hula. Kaya kantulaan. Gets mo yun?
Okay.
Okay, so ano, huhulain. May mic, di ba? May pa-mic tayo. Tapos, ayun. Maraming salamat sa iyong kabutihan, Jazz. Ay, sayang. Etong Malos. Dito na lang si Malos, Bessie. Ayan. Ay, talaga ano ka, Be? Oh, kaya ba natin to? Kaya yung kawawa si Malos. Okay, so, ito po ang pa-mic natin. Pag alam nyo ang kanta, kukunin lang natin ang mic. Tapos, laban, kanta, hula, ganon. Yun lang. Parang ang ano siya. Yan, baka mahulog yan. Okay, so paano namin hula? May mapaplay na song, ganon.
Tutula for you guys.
Ay, okay, so okay. Hindi ko alam yung gagawin, pero sige, gawin na natin! First song, ilang rounds po ba to?
There are 11 songs.
Oh, so may 11 songs tayong huhulaan. Alam mo, kahit ano ako kumakanta ko, ang hina-hina ko maghula sa ganito, kaya feeling ko mananalo ka.
Category is songs your mom listened to.
Ayun lang, guys.
Monday.
Mom, listen to?
Yeah.
Ay, so yung mga oldies ganon? Ay, oldies, baka manalo!
I will try my best. Okay.
We'll be holding on forever and we'll only be making it right. Because we'll never be wrong together. We can take it to the end of the night. Your love is like a shadow on me all of the time.
Tayo dyan. Sige na. Alam mo
Ikaw
ba?
na lang. So, ano po yung answer?
Siret.
Siret po, sorry.
Total eclipse of the
Okay! Yung pala Sorry po,
Okay,
sabi ko
next.
sa inyo hindi nyo ako mapagkakatiwalaan. Okay, next song.
Oh, with just a touch, two different people from such different worlds apart have touched each other's heart. Like candles in the dark. If it's time for us, we gotta take
Isa pa po. Wait lang,
the
alam ko
chance
to
to make it.
ulit na.
Oh, with just a touch.
Gusto ko yung pagbasa niya, wala talaga emotion.
Sorry. Okay lang? Destiny?
Nope.
Ay, shucks, wala. Mali.
Oh, with just a touch, two different people from such different worlds apart have touched each other's heart. Like candles in the dark. If it's time for us, we gotta take it. Take the chance.
Wait! Alam ko to eh!
Take a chance?
Take the chance.
Take the chance?
Oh, shucks.
Actually, 30 seconds. Yes.
Love me, love you. Love, heart, love you. Love, heart.
Alam ko to eh!
Let the love begin!
Okay.
Mike!
Hindi ko alam to!
Oo nga, ano ba yung kanta? Alam kong kanta yun. Kantahin mo yan! Hindi pwedeng hindi mo kantahin. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo alam yung kanta. Kantahin mo yan!
Wait lang, alam ko to, guys.
Hoy, kantahin mo yan. Kung hindi, agawin ko to.
Sige ikaw, hindi ko alam
Oh, sige, pag kinanta ko ba to, ako mananalo. Yes!
Sige po.
Okay, next song.
I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet. I've got
Ako,
no
alam ko yan,
limit.
Careless Whisper.
Oh, yes! Ikaw na! Sabi ko sa'yo, ikaw dapat nanalo eh. Oh, next. Go.
Kaso wait.
Magalingan mo ah.
I'm never gonna dance again.
Okay, alam ko. Sige lang. Ikaw na.
Thank you.
Song.
I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. It was destiny's game. For when
Alam ko
love
yung kanta.
finally
Alam ko
came
yung
on,
kanta-kantahin, pero yung title hindi ko alam.
I rushed in line only to find that you were gone.
Pwede, hindi kasi may title dyan eh.
Kantahin mo na, baka malaman mo yung
Title. O sige, isa pa po.
I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. It was destiny's game.
It was best.
For when love finally came on,
Alam ko
I
to eh!
rushed in line only to find that you were gone.
Ano ba kasi yan?
Serious?
Hindi ko maano eh. Hindi
Jose Marichan.
Beautiful girls. Okay. Long while. Ayun nga. I'm so sorry talaga mga kapuso. Super disappointed na kayo talaga ngayon. Okay, next!
Next, madali lang.
Shucks! Talaga ha?
I'm lying alone with my head on the phone, thinking of you till it hurts. I know you hurt too, but what else can we do? Tormented and torn apart. I wish I could carry your smile and my heart.
Ako pa. All out of love.
Yes!
Ikaw na! Sabi ko sa'yo, mas singer pa to eh.
Uy, huwag kayo mag-expect hindi ako singer ha. Baka.
Hindi ko alam to.
I'm lying alone with my head on the phone.
Ah!
Thinking of you till it hurts. I know you
Ay,
and you, but what else can we do? Tormented and torn.
Papanalunin nyo na to. Okay.
Next, gabi-gabi na lang ay nasa disco. Mga problema niya ay kanyang maliit.
Alam ko to. Gabi-gabi na lang. Ay, nasa disco. Ani ba itong bakal?
Yes.
Ay, salamat, Tay. Okay, next song.
Yeah, next game.
Being's believing I can have it all. Now I'm dancing for my life. Take your passion and make it happen. Pictures come alive. You can dance right through your life.
Ako sirit na.
Cheers.
Sirit. Sorry.
What a feeling.
What a feeling! Oh.
Ba't kasi hindi kasi yung chorus yung tinaano nyo? Nakakainis na
Hirap. Buti sumirit tayo kasi kahit ano hindi ko
Hindi ko
maisip
talaga.
yan. Okay, next song.
Every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say, every game you play.
Parang
every
alam ko
night
to.
Alam ko to, hindi ko alam yung title.
I'll be watching you.
Alam ko to, every breath you take.
Ayun, edi kantayin mo na.
Hindi ko alam yung title.
That's the title.
Okay, nasabi mo na.
That's the title.
Ako naman
Ano
to.
ba to?
Pwede po OPM naman. Proud to ano po OPM ako eh.
Every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching.
Okay! You did it! Sabi ko na nga ba, matatalo ako dito eh.
Ilan pa po?
So, ano, dalawa ako, ikaw tatlo, Jazz. Oh my God. Talo na to.
Ayoko mag-dare. Ayoko mag-dare.
Ano naman yan? Okay po, next song.
Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Lagi kang nasasabihan, pagkat ikaw ay bata at wala pang nalalaman. Makinig ka sa
Hindi ba?
aking
Ganyan
payo,
talaga ang
pagkat
buhay.
Diyos
Ganun ba yun? Yan ba yun?
malaman ng mga bastos sa mali.
Hindi ko alam yung lyrics pero makakanta ko. Anak.
Iba yun eh. Nalito tuloy ako.
Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Maraming Oh, supportive talaga si
Bata
Tita.
ka pa? Batang-bata ka pa?
Oh, sige. Bigyan mo naman.
Hina ako talaga sa ano eh.